Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable the user web service to help resolve navigation's error feature in the Microsoft Edge web browser. It would send the address to a portal service that may attempt to suggest a similar address that you meant to type. However, if you don't want to use that feature or you just want to disable that entirely and you want to stop having mistyped web addresses automatically being reconfigured or set back to what it thinks you want to search for, I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off. Alright, so this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process guys, and let's go ahead. So ang next step ay dito lang sa ating Microsoft Edge web browser. So dito lang sa upper right side ay select mo lang itong tatlong dot. And then next, kailangan mo lang select ang settings. Dito sa settings ay kailangan mo lang select yung privacy, search, and services. Click mo lang yan. And then next, kailangan lang tayong mag-scroll down. And then select natin tong services. So dito sa services, under nito, ay makikita mo kaagad dito yung use a web service to help resolve navigation's error. Alright, so pwede mo itong enable or disable. So makikita mo kaagad dito yung button niya. Ito siya. So, kung gusto mong enable, so click mo lang yan. And then kung gusto mo namang i-disable, click mo lang ito. Alright, so napakasimple lang talaga kung paano tayo mag-enable or disable yung web service to help resolve navigation's error in Microsoft Edge. I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.